Welcome to SkipperBud's. My name is Mike, and today we're going to take a look at the 2022 Barletta Corsa 25Q. This boat is a Tri-Toon. It has a 300 Verado Mercury on it, so it definitely can get up and go. It does feature a ton of capacity for all of your family and friends to get on the water. This boat features the darker gray interior option and also the red accent in your piping and your stitching. Very, very nice option. It really makes the interior pop versus the, otherwise it's gray or blue. As you look down, you can see anchor storage here in the bow. Phenomenal idea. Gets kind of the wet anchor, rope, and chain out of the cockpit of your boat, bringing in all the seaweed and into your seats. Keeps the boat very clean and very dry. As you work through, you can also see the inset cup holders you have, which in this case are lighted with the accented grab handles and also your speaker grates as well. Very unique to the Corsa in the Barletta family as well. So I work our way back through. You'll see the table. So this can fold up. There is storage underneath and table props up so you can put, if you're serving snacks or you just need a little bit extra room in the boat, it's a nice option just to be able to get your plates and knickknacks out of the way. There is also a table in this boat as well. You don't see it in this video. We install it at the delivery. It's just a matter of whether you want to put it in the front or the back of the boat, and we just wait for guidance from the buyer before we actually do that. While we're down here, you actually see the in-floor storage as well. Very, very large compartment. You can put all the way up to a 7-foot pair of skis inside. Great idea to also put like wet vests, wet ropes, wet deflated tubes in there just to kind of get that wet stuff out of the cockpit of your boat to keep it dry. You also see the patented Doggie Door here. Unique to Barletta. Well, again, we can't forget about our furry friends on the day on the water. Just make sure that they're hydrated and fed just like the rest of us. Working our way back through, again with the red accent, you can see it even in the sea deck on the raised helm. It really makes the interior of this boat pop. Standard automotive style helm. This boat does feature the optional Simrad display. A very, very clean look to the boat. Features engine data, navigation data, as well as your fish finder application. This boat has RGB lighting as well, so depending on who's driving that day, you can match the color to the red, or again, if pink fits your fancy, that's great too. This boat has digital throttle and shift with the 300 Verado. Very nice, silky smooth. Takes a little bit getting used to over the mechanical, but it is extremely nice just from a ease of use capacity. As we work our way back here, and again, this is a Q, so standard in a Q, you have your flip phone lounge on the port side that can even fold flat if you ultimately wanted to. So even in the Q, it's very versatile. You can sit forwards, backwards, or even lay down if you like, which is a great benefit of this specific boat. See a power bimini as well, standard on this boat in all Barlettas. So just a very nice all-around luxurious touch. So as you kind of work our way back through to the back of the boat, where all the fun happens. Extremely large swim deck with our pull-up cleats, as well as our Mercury 300 Verado V8 powered engine. Very smooth, very quiet, and more than enough to push this boat. Definitely worth a look. It's sitting in our Pewaukee showroom. It's clean, it's ready to go for you. I'd encourage you to come see it.